SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Welcome to our video about how to back up iPhone 14 to iCloud. If this guide helps you out, then please consider subscribing and liking this video. If you would like to wirelessly back up your iPhone to your iCloud account, then you can do so by opening the Settings app. You can then select your Apple ID card at the top of the Settings menu, and then you can select the iCloud option that appears here. Now you're going to want to scroll down until you find the iCloud backup option, and you can tap that. And then you can tap the button to the right of backup this iPhone to turn that on. And that's going to turn on backup, which takes a second or two. And then here you can choose whether or not you would like to use your cellular data to back up your iPhone. If not, then you're going to only be able to do this when you're connected to Wi-Fi. Then once you've adjusted these settings the way that you want them to be, you can simply tap the Backup Now button, which is going to start an iCloud backup. And there you'll see the estimated amount of time remaining to complete that backup. Note that you only get 5 gigabytes of iCloud storage by default. So depending on the amount of data and your iCloud settings, you might have more data than you can realistically fit in iCloud, at which case you may need to increase your iCloud storage capacity.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.